registered veterinary technician here at Green Valley Veterinary Care, and today we're going to talk about cat carriers. So there are a lot of different types of cat carriers available out there. So if you are on the hunt for a new one or just want to know what we recommend, we are going to talk about it today. So when we're looking at cat carriers, you want something that's sturdy so that the cat feels safe. They can come in either a soft carrier or something like we have here that is a hard-sided carrier. So with that, the main thing to look for is multiple openings. So on both of these carriers, we have a front door and also a top door, which you can see with the zippers here. The reason that we like having the top door is so that we do not have to reach into a small space to grab a cat out. We like to either open the door and let them walk out on their own if they're willing, or we open the top and keep them on a steady plane when we're getting them out of the carrier. So Caitlin and I are going to demonstrate a common example of how you will see us at Green Valley getting a cat out of the carrier. So typically we'll either leave the carrier on the table, or if it's a large cat and we are not able to pick them up with the carrier on the table, we'll set it on the floor. But Ace here today is a very slim fella, so he will allow us to get him out while on the table. So anytime we're restraining a cat, we always have a towel ready, just because cats like to feel covered so that they are not out in the open in the middle of a big area, like an exam room. So we are going to get all of our supplies ready, and then we're going to start taking the carrier apart. Sometimes if you bring in a hard-sided carrier and it does not have a top, we will unscrew the carrier so that we have a bigger opening and when we just take the top off. But we are experts at cat carriers and we'll make sure we get it back together. So we are going to start by slowly unzipping the carrier. We want to try to keep a calm, quiet environment when we're doing this. Ace is very ready to leave, but we're going to act like he's not. So you want to try to keep it closed, just so that even if he is anxious or trying to escape, he can't until everyone's ready. So then now I'm going to take the towel, and as I'm lifting the top off, we're going to cover the top so he can't escape until we're ready. And then Caitlin and I are going to take a look at him. So his head is this way, so I'll get shoulders if you get the butt. All right, now we're both going to reach in on the count of 3. We're going to lift him out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so then now we have him on the table. He's already covered, so we could easily wrap him up and have him ready for his exam or whatever we're needing to do for him today. So if you are looking for a cat carrier, main things to keep in mind are top loading, sturdy, and then make sure it's big enough that your cat can fit in it comfortably, turn around, things like that.